Hello and welcome. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you can mute bots or channels in which you are not interested in Discord servers. So it will be really quick, it's very simple. If you have a bot that's annoying you, you can just find the bot in the list of people on the right corner over here. You right click on the bot and you can see already this bot. So if I want to unblock him, I can go here. If I want to block him, I do it again, and I can block him. And now, if there's a message from him, it will always show blocked message, and you don't have to see it. And if you want to mute channels in which you are not interested in, as in let's say I'm not interested in show your art channel, I can just go right click on this and go mute show your art. And now, unless I would be mentioned here, I will not see any notifications from this channel. And let's say you're generally not interested in anything from a category, let's say art gallery. So I'm going to right click and I can mute art gallery. And now anything that's in these channels, if anyone messages in these channels, I will not be notified.